Hi, I want to give you some directions for reading My Day at the Park in Nearpod. You will find it under the Writing with Sight Words and Vocabulary. You click Nearpod Student Paste, read a story, My Day at the Park. You will write your name in the top box and then click on the arrow to the right. This is the title page, My Day at the Park. Click to the right. I want you to first notice the picture. It has been labeled. There is a tree, cloud, the sun has been labeled, the grass, and then the slide that the children are playing on. You will then read the story. One day, my family and I went to the park. I met some friends there and played. Click on the button to the right. Look at the picture. Now it's your turn to label the picture. I want you to use the tool pen at the bottom. Select your color and the width you would like your pen, and then you will label the nouns in the picture. So I will label the sun, then the tree. There are 3 trees, the cloud, the grass, and this is a picnic table. After I finish labeling the picture, you will want to read the story. Then click on the arrow to the right. You do the same thing in each of the pages of the story. If you'd like to practice reading the story again, back to the beginning and start clicking through on the right. Have fun!